Welcome to College Algebra Math 121, Sections 500 and 501, Spring Semester 2014. This is your instructor, Jim Voss talking. I am going to give you a quick overview of our course. The first thing you'll notice is our news items. Every week you'll see a yellow box that gives you an overview of what needs to be done for the week. Notice that there is a lot of stuff to be done this first week, so don't delay. Get onto it right away. On the right here, you'll notice a link to my math lab. My math lab is where you'll do your homework and your quizzes. Let's go through some of the stuff in D2L first. Surveys we won't use. At the end of the semester when you do your course evaluation, it will show up in survey. But for us in this math course, these are the two tabs that you'll familiarize yourself with. Content is where all of our course documentation is. And as we scroll down, let's start with the Getting Started tab over here. So there's some documentation here. Go ahead and read those. And then there's blocks of different documents. So there are some instructional videos that will explain how to complete these different tasks that you've been asked to do. And this Getting Started area is probably the biggest area that you've got to look at to start with, because in order to get started with this course, you've got to get some software installed on your computer and get familiar with inserting images into discussion posts, etc. Your syllabus and schedule are right here. So click on the syllabus and schedule link right over here. There is math labs on each of the 3 campuses. I don't have the hours for those yet, but those will be there very soon. There will be information to set you up for each week. So you can go ahead and click on each week and you'll notice homework questions. And this is just a list of the homework questions here, so that if you happen to have your book and don't have online access, you can go ahead and just play around with some of the questions in your textbook. There is a quiz for every section of the book we cover. So to get to this quiz, you would go over to my math lab and take that quiz. And most weeks I have some screencasts or some pencasts that I've created that are content specific for the particular week that they're in that you can look at. It's very easy for me to make screencasts and pencasts, so if there's a topic you would love to see, let me know. So that's how you'll navigate through content. Discussions, there will be required discussions every week. I will make general comments about the course in this teacher comments area, and you can ask any sort of general question or technology question in this area. Then we have a cyber cafe where you can post interesting things that you've done, things that you want to do, things that make you laugh. Week 1, you have 4 posts that you have to make. You have to post a biography about yourself. You will have to do this activity here, downloading GeoGebra, downloading Jing, and then using the 2. You will have to do this activity also, using an equation editor. I use the DOM equation editor, which is a very simple editor. There's an instructional video. And then every week you'll have some content questions that you need to either answer that other students post, or post yourself. A nice question, an authentic question. Not how do I do number 5 or number 12 or whatever, but an actual math question that you have about a particular problem in my math lab. Okay, next let's jump over to my math lab. We'll click on that link there. That will take you over to my math lab. I'm just going to jump over to it this way. It's a little quicker. And in my math lab, you will see a quiz tab, and that is where you will take your quizzes. As they become available, you can jump in and take them. The first one you'll take is the syllabus quiz. That's going to be a prerequisite to get into your quiz 1.9, and it will be a prerequisite to get into your homework 1.9. If you click on homework, you go right to the homework list, but you can also get to it over here. So these buttons are kind of redundant. They take you to the same place. Gradebook. Anytime you've finished an assignment, you will see it in the gradebook, and you will be able to review any homework or quiz that you've completed. You will not find the review options up in these 2 buttons. To review something you've completed, go to the gradebook, and you will see a review link right next to any of those assignments. As you read through the syllabus, you'll find that you can work on homework questions infinitely many times. And for quizzes, you'll get to take each quiz twice, and then I'll count the highest quiz. The study plan is a place that has the list of all database questions for this course. If you click on all chapters, you basically see a table of contents for the course, and you can go in, you can drill all the way down to different objectives, and you can work however many problems are available for that objective. So it's a good place to go if you've done your homework and you've done your quizzes and you feel like you need a little more practice. The multimedia library should be a place that you go to regularly. Videos. We're starting, well, let's just look at one chapter, chapter 3. If you click on video, you'll find all the videos for chapter 3. Every section is going to have a video for it, and a summary video. And many sections will have multiple videos, and so you should really look at these videos as you're moving through the course. So click on video, click find now, click on your chapter. And every single section all the way through is going to have a video. So please watch those. Those are really, really helpful. And that's about it for now. Any questions that you have, feel free to ask, post in the discussion area, or send me an email. Welcome.